Natural gas closed the week with a massive drop, and we have seen it closing at 2.7 levels, while for the month of October, we have seen it trading with modest bearishness, and largely I can say it has shown a swings. It has achieved the highs before reversing. Now, what can we expect from the month of November as the winter kicks in? Can we expect a recovery here in the gas, or we are looking forward for it to erase all the gains from this candle and move towards 2.2 2.4 zone? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the month of November? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a monthly review. I do share my twice a day updates on natural gas, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. These both updates give you a fair bit of idea on how to take a profit, how to take a trade, and where to enter, where to exit trading natural gas. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. In this update, first we'll look into, or we'll analyze the charts, we'll analyze with the help of indicators, do a multi-time frame analysis, and arrive at the levels at which you can take the trades. At the end of this update, I'll be sharing the summary of the observation and the trading levels. Watch till the end. Let's have a look at the preceding candle and the charts on the monthly time frame. You will find after forming the bottom and a reversal sign here, net gas has been trading in this channel. This is a moderately bullish channel. Second thing to note here is the resistance it is getting at 3.2 zone, which is indeed a very good resistance. I have been sharing 3.24 is the milestone it needs to break, because once it stays above 3.24, we will look forward to a move towards 3.6 levels directly. Yes, and this could be possible in the month of November itself. Possibilities there. If you look at the last candle, see, despite it closing bearish, despite it closing in red, we have seen it hitting the highs, that is the first part, and the lows are also not, we can say the bearishness is very, very modest, and this is almost towards the end of the month we have seen this. The second part here is, even if you see gas trading towards 2.5 2.48, the chances of recovery from these levels will be very, very high. Though I expect that it should not move towards 2.5 2.48. At worst, even if it tries to drop, we can see a move towards 2.6 2.65, and this should be a greater support. But even if you see it moving towards 2.48 2.5, we can say that a recovery chances will be very, very high. But once it stays below 2.5 2.48, I will turn bearish. I will say that now the bears are back, and we can look forward to a move towards 2.3 and 2.2 levels as the next target. It can nullify all the gains from this candle. Though, as far as the expectation is considered, we can look forward to an up move from here. But if you see the movement here for net gas, see, after this massive drop, a retracement has happened, then lower lows, and then lower highs. So right now also, if you connect the dots, this is trading in this bearish channel. It is very, very important for gas to break beyond 3.2 3.24. That is the first observation. Now let me turn on the indicators as well. If you look at the moving averages on the monthly charts, these have crossed over. These are trading with divergence and staying bearish. A bit of flattening is observed. This suggests that now it has come to a neutral zone, and from here we have to watch out with caution. And see, the median of the Bollinger Bands also sitting at 2.5. So at worst, it can try to hit this zone before bouncing back. This one possibility you should not ignore. Second thing is, on the upside, resistance till 3.5 is anyways there. The last one is the narrowing of the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands have narrowed, and now it requires a strong breakout here. See, till now we have seen a bulging here for natural gas. It has come down to a comfortable zone, and now is the time for it to start showing the expansion, whichever direction it takes. That is the first part. Second, if you look at the monthly stochastic, this is on the up move. It is looking upwards. It is trying to trade bullish. While the MACD, this is the most important thing. The MACD, after staying bearish for almost couple of years and erasing all the gains from the peak here, now it has come towards the bottom, and it after the crossover, this is just 3 candles away. Also, this is diverging here, which suggests that this path may continue here for a while. And even if it delivers 2 to 3 bullish months, remember, this is natural gas. The wonders it can do is amazing, because see, the drop was sharp, the rise can be equally sharp here. So this is something which we should watch out for. The winters are just kicking in, and the environment is also conducive for a rise. Now, if you look at the RSI, this is comfortable. Coming to the weekly chart, on the weekly charts, this is important to note that the moving averages have just crossed over, and you can also notice the placement of the 20 and 50 period moving average at 2.58, the median of the Bollinger Bands at 2.5. These are going to remain two prime support levels for the next week. Looking at the move here, see if you notice this is a reversal sign. So on the weekly charts, there is still slight bearishness, couple of bearish candle, a strong recovery, but we have seen it erasing all the gains from the preceding week and closing almost at the support zone. So in the coming week, if you see it is staying below 2.6 to 2.58 zone, we can look forward to a move towards 2.5, 2.5. Now that is going to be definitely a stronger support zone. If this is taken, then only I will say that net gas is turning bearish and we can look forward to further down move towards 2.2, 2.23 levels. Though I still expect that a possible recovery cannot be denied here. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped sharp looking downwards. The MACD, this is the only thing, because see the MACD is trading with little divergence. It has started to converge, and let me show you a bit broader picture here. See, after the sharp decline, this is the main trend. It has taken retracement, retracement, and now it is trading in this way. It is almost consolidated, and now appears that it has lot much of up move left here. RSI has dropped. It is right now looking downwards. Coming to now on the daily charts, this is important to note. See, connect this in my daily updates I have shared. And this also brings the lows at around 2.5, and see the move. This is a nice flag formation here. This is how it has been trading, hitting the lows and the highs here. So even if you see it at 2.5, 2.48, I will say as long as this is respected, we can say a possible recovery cannot be denied. And once it breaks out beyond 3.2 zone in the near future till towards the middle of November, we can see or we can expect a stronger recovery where 3.5 levels cannot be denied. So coming week is going to remain critical. Where it closes, that is going to be of importance. And as I shared, right now it is trying to form a nice flag here, trading in this slightly moderately bearish channel. And thus the coming week is also going to be interesting. Also notice what has happened here. After reversal sign, one bearish candle, then three bearish candles after a bit of consolidation. And here also the body size is getting smaller, which suggests that the bearishness is getting diminished. Moving averages here have started to look downwards, but right now these are layered one over other, and it is still in the bullish zone. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. RSI has dropped here. Signs of slight bearishness exist here. When you see the 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, the similar observation what we had seen on the daily charts, the moving average is crossing over here, certainly is a bearish sign. Also look at this, a sharp decline retracement, and then this decline has appeared. If you connect the dots here, you'll find that it is almost has closed at the bottom of this. And when you see it now staying about 2.9 in the coming week, then we can say that it is turning bullish. In fact, you can initiate a buying entry at 2.7678 levels itself, beyond which you can expect 2.85 and 2.9 levels. And once it stays about 2.9, you can expect that the reversal process has kicked in, and we are looking forward to the next target, which is going to be to about 3.2. That is the first part. Right now, if you connect it here, as we have seen, lower highs, lower lows here, trying to trade in this bearish channel, trying to form a nice flag. The lows of this channel are towards 2.5, which are definitely going to remain greater support levels. Stochastic has come towards the oversold zone. The MACD has seen a sharp reversal. It has hit the bottom here. At this point, I have mentioned that it has seen a good rise. It is looking forward to a correction, and now it is almost sitting at the bottom. RSI also staying oversold. Thus, a recovery with the beginning of the week cannot be denied. And now 2.9 levels, $3 levels are going to remain the most critical for it to break past by. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you, if you see it is staying about 2.74, initiate a buying entry, expect 2.78, 2.8. This is the first resistance zone, very important one. Beyond this, you can expect good bullish move towards 2.8485, the next, and then 2.9. If this is taken, then you can say the bulls are back in action and we can look forward to this complete zone till towards 2.9 is very, very critical. Beyond 2.9 is where we can say that the bulls are back and you can look forward to 2.925, 2.955, and then 3.02. Now beyond 3.02, this time we are looking forward to 3.1. So this is for complete month of November, not only coming week alone, but yes, you can apply these levels for the rest of the week and for the rest of the month as well. So beyond 3.1, this time I will be looking forward to 3.24 and then 3.5 levels very, very soon. Yes, if it can drop sharp, it can recover strongly as well. While on the down, now a selling entry is at 2.68. Be careful at 2.6564. Very good support here. And if you see it trading below 2.6564, the chances will be high that we can see it hitting 2.6, 2.58. The next support zone, very critical here. I will say till 2.58, 2.6 zone. Chances of a recovery will be very, very strong. Below this is where you can expect little drop, little bearishness towards 2.545 and then 2.5 levels. Now 2.5, 2.48, this is the strongest support. Even if net gas shows a drop, this is the zone where you have to remain extra cautious, and this is for the rest of the month of November. As long as it respects this zone, the chances of recovery again should be extremely high, and you can look forward for it to hit or break beyond 2.8 or $3 levels in the month of November again. But I do not see it breaking towards this. But yes, if it breaks below this, you can expect the bears to kick in. Then I will be looking forward to 2.35, 2.2 zone as the next target, and if it breaks 2.2, the targets are towards $2 levels. I still do not expect this to happen, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the daily updates, which will give you a fair bit of idea on daily happenings on the net gas market and what to expect, what not to expect, how to profit every day. We share with Asia, Europe session, and US session both. So do watch both the updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week. Have a great profitable month of November and a happy weekend. Thank you.